Today I'll be reviewing for you guys the QCY T18 headphones. Here's the box. Here we have some app information to download the app by scanning the QR code. And then on the back we have some information about the product and some more manufacturer information here. So if you look here, this is the QCY T18. Charging time is approximately 2 hours. Standby time is 60 hours, which is good, battery life. And music time is 7 hours. And then it has 400 milliamp per hour battery. So let's go ahead and open up this box and then see what we have inside and go ahead and test this out. So here we have the headphones and the case. We'll go over this here in a little bit. Like here we have the USB charging cable. It's not very long. And then here we have some extra buds that you can replace your current ones with. There's 4 of these, like super soft. And then here we have the user manual for the headphones. Let's go ahead and take out the case. Comes wrapped in a plastic. Just slide this out. The QCY T18 earbuds also does come with a 12-month warranty. So first of all, this is the case button. It's labeled with QCI. You can click it. And then we have the charging port here, as I went over earlier, LED indicator light, and then the earbuds right here. And here's inside the case. Quite nice. And then here we have the earbuds. This as well comes wrapped in plastic. Just go ahead and take this out. So if you want to factory reset this, all you have to do is open the case and then press and hold this QCY power button for 10 seconds. And once you press and hold this for 10 seconds, you will see the light blinking, which means that this is now resetting. So for charging, if you see that this light is solid red, that means that the case is charging. If it's solid blue, that means that you have enough charge. And then if your battery level is more than 20%, then you get the blue light. And if your battery level is less than 20%, then you also get the red light. And if you want to replace this, all you need to do is just pull this out. And depending on which size works best for you, you just go ahead and install the new one. So it should be quite simple. Just like that. So let's go ahead and get this connected, download the app, review the quality, and then see what you guys think. Here in the user manual, we have this QR code. You just want to scan this with your camera. Just like that. And it takes you to a link and brings you to the App Store, to this app. So go ahead and get this downloaded. I have just downloaded it. This is for better user experience. And once you download the app, just go ahead and open. Allow my notifications. Bluetooth, okay. So here you can register for a new account or If you had already created an account in the past, just go ahead and log in. So I'll go ahead and register for a new account and come right back. So after you connect the headphones to your mobile app, it shows you the statuses here. As you can see, shows you the battery percentage for the left earbud and the right earbud. We have some options here. So here's the menu. Then you have the status of your headphones, and then you have your sound. So there's different types of sound you can pick from. You can do default, you could do pop, bass, rock, soft, classic, and then you can create your own settings if you want. And then we have the settings of your earbuds. You can see that we have the left one and the right one here. So these earbuds, they have a touch sensor in the back, so you can have it set up to, click gesture, so you can do single click, double click, or triple click. So you can see single click, we don't have any effects. So if we were to go ahead and click on that, there's a menu that comes up. You can do no effect, play, pause, skip, track backwards, forward, voice assistant, volume plus, volume down, game mode. So this feature I really do like, that I can set it up the way I want to and how it would benefit me and work for me. So we have double click for play, pause, 3 strikes for voice assistant, and then for the left one is the game mode. So find headset, you can find your earbuds and play a sound. And you can hear the headphones beeping. So if you were to lose it somewhere, then you could play this sound and you should be able to find it. Then you have your game mode, you can turn that on, and then firmware update, and then you have more settings. So you can reset to default or have earbuds information. Then we have discovery. If you want to go ahead and look into their other products, they're all over here. So the T18 model you can see is $50, and they have a bunch of other models that you can get and choose from. And then we have some my account information. So let's go ahead and get this connected to our Bluetooth. So here I'll go to settings. So once you go into your settings and go into Bluetooth, you'll find that QCY T18. So just go ahead and click on that and let this connect. And then you can see that the QCY T18 is now connected. So let's go ahead and play some audio from the headphones and then see what the sound quality is like. And we will also check out some of the functionality from the phone app. So here I have my own setup. You can see single click for both of them, left and right I have it set up as pause, and then double click I have it skipping forward on my track, and then 3 clicks on the left I have volume down, and then 3 clicks on the right is volume up. So I'll go ahead and show you guys some of the gestures and then play some music on the headphones. So you can see when I do a single click, it pauses my music. If I do click again, it brings the music back on. Same thing for this one. And then if I want to double click, change the song. And I can do the same thing for this one as well. And then if I do 3 clicks, it will turn the volume up. turn the volume down. So let's go over some of the other sound features. So here we have default, pop, bass, rock, and then we have soft and classic. And when you select this, it actually will change what it sounds like. So the sound quality is really good. I think the build quality of this headphone case and the earbuds is really great. And I actually put them on and tried it on for quite some times. The sound quality is really great as well. I would definitely recommend that you guys try this out. For $50, I think this is a great product. Very easy to use, simple to set up. So let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you guys next time.